guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. And guys, today's video is all about get ready with me. And for this, let's begin the video. Guys, as you all can see, my hair is wet and I don't need or use any towel. I just use this t-shirt. You all can use any of your old t-shirt, which is so really soft and good for your hair. It also helps with the breakage. And now for the serum, you all can see I've used the L'Oreal serum. Guys, I've used almost 3-4 bottles of this, and trust me, I love this. And if you have not tried, please try the serum. You will see a very good difference in your texture of the hair. Now I'll just take a small section and I'll just clip my hair because I really can't do makeup and the hair is falling on my face, on my eyes. So this is how I put back my hair first, and then I'm gonna start with this L'Oreal Micro Essence Toner. Guys, you all already know that I love this product. This is a very light based water moisturizer which gets into your skin into 10 layers and gives you a very good clean and clear skin. Now for the serum, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Revital Lift Serum. This is with the 1.5% of hyaluronic acid, and which is so good for the skin. I'm in love. I've almost completed the bottle and already ordered a new one, so you all can know that this serum is really amazing. Please do try. And now guys, I had to change my place because there were no sufficient light over there. Yes, just to be very sure that my products are visible, I have changed my place now and sitting properly in a sunlight without any ring light. I have used this Acne Moist Moisturizer. This is a very light based moisturizer, but you all can see it is instantly brightening my skin and also giving me that perfect glow. It is non-greasy, not at all sticky, and it has no fragrance. So if you're oily or a combination skin type, then you can definitely try that moisturizer. It is available in any of your medical stores. And now using a basic compact, guys, I don't think you find this compact anymore. This is the L'Oreal Matte Mojique Compact, which I used to love so much in my earlier days, but now I'm not finding this compact anywhere. It gives such a beautiful coverage. It also brightens your skin, and the most important thing is it is a mattifying compact, which I love too because I have an oily to combination skin. Yes, I know I'm looking too white for now, but don't worry, it'll all get settled down. And yes guys, I'm trying to keep all my products affordable and drugstore because I would love to. If you try to create the same kind of look, you should be able to, and it's not necessary that you need all high-end brands to create any kind of makeup look. It is all about playing with colors and the way you enhance your features. Yes, for my eyebrows, I have used this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. This is available on Amazon, Flipkart, anywhere, and I also have a separate video on this so you can have a check. Now for my eyes, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution palette. This is again a very affordable palette. And now I'm just picking that mustard kind of yellow color and just applying it all over my lid first. Can you all see that color? I just love that color. It is a perfect match for my dress. And yes, I'm also wearing a lens today that is from the brand Olens, and it is in the Russian gray. Yeah, and I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. I've just picked the color and applied all over my lid. And guys, this is how I do. I just flick the color upward. Can you all see? So that it looks very much blended and gives you that perfect blended look. Guys, I've told this palette as an affordable palette because you all can see it has 2-3 eyebrow fillers. It also has a contour shade. It also has a blush shade. You can also use the highlighter from this. It is a complete face palette. And yes guys, this blush on is so beautiful. This is from the brand Savannah. It is one of my oldest blushes what I used to use years ago. I think maybe more than 5-7 years. And I still love it. Can you all see? It gives a very beautiful glow with very little of the color. This is what I love about this blush. It does not give you too much of color at once, but gives you a beautiful glow. I don't even need highlighter after this. Can you all see? And now for the lips, I'm just gonna define my lips with this Nika pencil, and then I'm gonna use a lipstick. This is again from the brand Maybelline, and I think the shade is Clay Crush. Yes, I love to tone down all my lipsticks these days. I mean, even if it is the lightest, I like to apply a concealer in between and just dab it all well. And guys, if you've not seen my last video where I've created this simple Indian makeup look which is so beautiful, just check that lip shade. It turned out so well. After applying the concealer, if you're finding it too light, just apply the lipstick on the sides just to give that ombre kind of look. Guys, be honest, isn't it so simple but very beautiful? And using my most favorite mascara from the brand Essence, y'all can see this is going to instantly curl, lengthen, give you so much of volume, and it is the darkest mascara I've ever had. It's just perfect in case you have touched the mascara on the skin, and it really happens because I was also doing a get ready with me video where I had to go out but also wanted to shoot the video. So this happens when you're in a hurry. So there's nothing to worry. You can always use your earbud and just clean that, and it's fine. And after cleaning it, just give a touch up of that same eyeshadow shade and you're good to go. Guys, that was just one coat of mascara. Can you all see the instant effect? No wonder I love this mascara so much. Now this is my most favorite time which I keep waiting for. This is the glow time, and yes, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution highlighter, and this is just a normal fan brush. And guys, I love this highlighter so much. Again, it is not, I don't agree to tell you all that this is not affordable because you always find this on discounts, even 40%, 50%. This highlighter is so soft and the color is so beautiful. It feels like I am glowing from within. And guys, I have a video where I've made this glossy kind of makeup look or the glowy kind of makeup look. I will leave the link in description. Please do check. You're gonna love that makeup look, where I'm only using this highlighter as my makeup base and where my skin is looking so glowy and glossy. Yes, for today's makeup look, I didn't feel like applying any liner or kajal or any other color on my eyes because as it is, it was looking so beautiful. So I just applied the little bit of eyebrow product only on the sides and the corner of my lashes so that it just defines my eyes much better. Yes guys, this is my final look and I am loving it the way it is turned out, and excuse my nails for today. And that's it guys, the way you like it, you can just do your hairstyle. I am leaving my hair as it is. Can you all see? It is giving me a perfect kind of curls in front, but if you all like to, you all can just pin it up. You can do any of your favorite hairstyles. You can tie a bun, you can tie a pony, you can leave it as it is. As you all can see, I have real wavy and curly hair. I like to do it this way. I just like to pin my hair a little bit in the front or else leave it open. And this is the final look. I hope you all like this video as it is very simple, subtle but a glowy skin with a very soft lips. And I love you all so much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, give lovely comments and also like my videos so that I get motivated and come up with more amazing videos.